Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this video, that means that you're either a subscriber to Morgan's Creations or you have purchased one of the new soap carving kits that we have come up with. This was developed to help kids get interested in wood carving that are not quite old enough to have a regular wood carving knife or gouges. So this was developed. Each one of the tools in the kit that we have here is, we've got a carving knife. It's an 1.5 inch blade. These are all printed out of PETG plastic. They're very durable. We have a U-gouge. It's got a bevel very similar to a regular carving gouge, and then a V-tool. So all these tools are to mimic an actual wood carving tool and teach kids how to carve in a bar of soap. So the purpose of this video is to show you, if you were to damage this plastic knife or any of the plastic tools, you drop them on the floor or something falls on it and it chips the edge, how you would get that edge back. So in the kit will also come this, it's 180 grit sandpaper. It's on a wooden strop. So basically what the technique is, what we're going to do to put this edge back on. So if this had a nick in it, what you want to do is lay the knife flat on the sandpaper. And I would imagine that if most of the kids that are purchasing this, that their parents would probably sharpen this for them or teach them how to sharpen them. They might be of age to where they could do it themselves. But what we're going to do is take this knife and lay this blade flat on the sandpaper. And so with a little bit of pressure, you can put this flat if you wanted to, but you're going to need something to clear the handle on that. So it's just as easy to hold it, I think. Just want to hold it flat on there and kind of go at a diagonal. You can go at a diagonal, you can go straight across, you can go this way. With the plastic, it's not that big of a deal. So you want to keep working that this way, and then flip it over, do the same thing, apply a little bit of pressure, make sure you get that sharpened all the way across. And so you just want to keep doing that, and I've done this one on several times for doing different demonstrations, but you kind of get the idea. The blade does not have a sharp edge on it. It won't cut you. It's not going to puncture you, but it will cut a bar of soap very well. So very important to kind of keep that as fine of an edge as you can. With the U-gouge, it's very similar. You have a bevel on this end here, and that's what you want to sharpen. So what I usually do, for this one, I'll put it flat on the table, and I'll put my finger all the way to the edge. So if your finger is touching the sandpaper, you can feel the sandpaper on your finger and the edge of the tool. And so all you want to do is go back and forth and kind of rock it, following the curvature of that blade. So without my finger being in there, we're going to go like this and slowly rock it left and right as we're going, and that'll take out any imperfections in the end. And the V-tool is very similar to the knife. You've got a flat plane here, the cutting edge on both sides. So there again, you want to match that bevel to the sandpaper and just work it front and back or side to side, whichever you prefer. On these, I find that front to back is a lot easier. So I'm going to sharpen that edge, and then I'm going to flip it over and do the other side. So with this one, because I'm doing it on camera, it's kind of hard to see, but what you want to do is you want to line that. You can see it right there. Kind of line that up, make sure that you keep constant pressure on there, and you can check it when you're sharpening. You can see where you've sharpened and where you haven't. But you, in all reality, you really shouldn't need to do that unless something happens. If you use these on material other than soap, you're probably going to chip the edge or break the tool. So they were designed for soap. Each kit comes with the 3 tools, the sanding strop, a bar of soap, and a link to this video so when you need to perform maintenance on the ends of those blades. So hopefully this helps. If you've purchased one of these kits, leave your comments and feedback down below. I'll leave a link in the description where these are available. They'll be available on my website. And then also, if you are visiting Silver Dollar City this year, they will be at Valley Woodcarvers. They will be available to purchase there as well. So anyway, hope this helps, and happy carving.